All right, we are at the Kuang Si waterfall here in Laos.
Is it really called like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And apparently it's beautiful turquoise water, joined by our friend Philip here.
Hey guys, how are you?
Joined by the OG,
Me.
Emily. And then there's Ronya. We're gonna go check out the waterfall and see what's up.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be a nice hike.
Oh my god, look how big. How many hundred years?
You can swim in the waterfall.
Yeah.
Where? Here.
No, you have like different stages. The next one you can swim, and the first one you can swim as well.
Awesome.
The
Okay.
next one there are a lot of people swimming.
Thank you so much,
Welcome.
guys. We can swim in the waterfall.
What?
There's wet people. They said we can swim up there and swim down there. Let's go. Philip, we can swim in the waterfall.
Yeah. But down there.
Down and up there and up there.
Up there
Yeah.
also. Oh cool. That's so cool.
All right, this waterfall is sick. The water's so green and blue, and we're allowed to swim in it, so we're gonna take a dip for sure. Sorry. This place is actually so freaking cool. Everywhere you go, there's sick little pools and waterfalls. All right, we made it to the part where we can swim. We're getting undressed and we're gonna go in. My goal is to get under that waterfall. It's so cold, but it's good. It's good.
No, it's okay.
Look at how clean the water is. Oh, it feels so good. We are coming up on the waterfall here. We're gonna go under. We are out here in the middle of the jungle in Laos, swimming in waterfalls. Let's go! Can you hand me my flip-flop? I feel like I'm king of the world right now. Look at this beauty. Yeah, I'm going under. Dude, this is awesome, man. Look at this. I'm literally under a waterfall right now. Absolutely insane.
Yo guys, we're on the waterfall right now. Look at this. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Man, this is awesome. What are you guys over there standing? Look at it.
back massage. Where are you guys from?
Wales, England.
England! Yeah!
Wales, baby.
Let's go Wales!
Go in.
We're now leaving the waterfall, but there's more areas we can go swimming in, and we're gonna do that.
Yeah.
Yeah! Alright, so we just got done swimming in that lower area right there. And now we're gonna walk up and find another place that we can go in for a dip. The water is just absolutely amazing. A little bit cold, but it feels good. You get used to it. And probably the coolest waterfall I've been to.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. This is the main waterfall here. It's ginormous. You can barely even see up to the top, but it just keeps going.
It's crazy.
We are now hiking up 500 steps to go to the very top of this giant waterfall.
Are we ready? No.
We're not ready, but we're gonna do it either way. For the lore.
For the Lord. Another side quest here.
Yes, sir.
Emily was hungover.
And you can swim at the top of the waterfall, so it should be an amazing view. Can't wait. We are traversing dangerous terrain here in the jungle.
Yeah.
Slippery and very steep. Wow, I did not expect Laos to be this beautiful. This is unreal.
You know, like nature-wise, this is like the best I've been so far.
Yeah, this is next level stuff here. Such an underrated country. You never hear about people going to Laos. But I promise you, you should put it on your list. Because places like this are just absolutely beautiful. Take your breath away. And it's totally worth it to stop over here when you're in Southeast Asia.
Those are memories you never forget.
Yeah. Yo, you spawned in. This dude, we have seen him everywhere we've gone. He just spawns in out of nowhere in every single city. This is Jeremy from Ohio.
Yep.
Remember him. He's an absolute legend.
You'll see me again soon.
He's a legend in Southeast Asia.
You manifested.
I'm everywhere.
What? Yeah.
Dude, we were literally joking. We were like, what are the chances we see Jeremy here?
What are you
Unfucking real.
What are you saying about the waterfall? Nice, right?
Yeah.
He's literally the only one here. Just spawned in. Flip-flops are off. We're going full caveman mode here. Okay? It's a race to the top.
Oh shit, it's still slippery.
It's dangerous here.
Yeah.
It's a far hike to the top, but everyone's saying it's worth it and it's good, so we gotta check it out. We have limited time because our taxi's waiting for us. Leaves around 3, so we gotta hustle. Here is the top of the waterfall. We are very high up right now.
Okay. So you just walk on. Yeah. And then, okay. Doesn't seem.
This is so good, dude. We're gonna go swim down there.
Yeah. Oh, no.
No.
Dude, this is unreal.
Unfucking real.
Unreal. Fucking jungle.
Swimming in top of a waterfall in the jungle right now. Couldn't get any crazier than this. Crazy lore, crazy side quests. I wasn't even supposed to come to Laos. I just decided last minute to come. And I'm so glad I did. It's amazing here.
Dude, like what is happening? This is crazy. It's insane.
Absolutely insane.
Dude, look at this. Look at this. Can I have it?
Yeah.
Yo guys, we are like standing in a lake in the fucking jungle. Oh fuck, yeah. We are standing in a lake in the jungle in fucking Laos. Look at this. We are in the middle
Of the jungle.
of the motherfucking jungle. There's a waterfall right there. The water is beautiful. Just amazing. Yeah.
Let's go.
Can we walk on top there? Or over there maybe? Like, walk through the jungle?
Oh, look at all these.
Wow.
Yeah. There's tons. Hey, little souvenir from Laos.
Yeah.
We're gonna take this home with us. There's so many. Oh, I got a bunch. We're gonna give them to the girls as presents.
Yeah. Because we are gentlemen.
Dude, you look ripped as fuck.
Am I?
You are ripped as fuck. God damn. It's a little spiky, but it's not too bad.
Dude. Like we are in adventure mode right now.
Yeah. This is Bear Grylls in Laos. Actually, two explorers right here. Look at how clean the water is.
Yo, look at that spider, man. Wow. Dude, I'm feeling like I'm fucking indigenous right now.
Yeah, same.
Coming over there.
What's up, guys?
What up, what up?
Enjoying the day?
Yes, sir. How you doing? Good, good. Yo, I feel like... Oh, there they are.
The sun coming out just for us.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Probably isn't a flat triangle, but
Say where you guys are from.
Australia.
Australia.
England.
England. Yeah. Let's go England and Australia.
Where are you guys from?
US and Germany.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, enjoy it up there. It's a nice swim.
Yeah.
It's cool. We've already been up there once.
Yeah.
We're going back
Oh yeah,
again.
it's so
It's
cool.
amazing.
You feel like you're in the middle of the jungle. Like we are in the middle of the jungle,
can
like...
you reach the floor right now?
A little bit,
we
yeah.
can.
Can you reach it over?
Yeah, there's spots where you can reach.
Yeah.
Or just go close to the bank and you'll reach it. Hey, see you guys.
Don't leave without us.
We won't. We'll make sure they don't. Oh, dude. This is so good.
Yeah. It's so nice. It's really cool.
Really fucking cool.
It's really fucking cool.
One of the coolest things I've done in my fucking life. Swim in this beautiful waterfall. You gotta come here. It is absolutely a must-see, must-visit place. And if you come here, you gotta get in the water. You can't just come look at it. You gotta go for a swim. For the real experience.
Yeah.
They even got this swing here made just for Emily.
Yeah.
Hey, I got you a present.
Oh my god. So cute. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Aw.
Look at this. Swing at the top of the waterfall.
So crazy.
Yo, dude, look at that view.
I know.
Shit.
This is absolutely amazing. Look at this view. The GoPro doesn't do it justice. That's why you need to come here in person to see it.
Yo, look at this. There's like waterfalls and like multiple levels everywhere.
You could spend literally all day exploring this place, swimming in this beautiful turquoise water. Look at this. Look at that, Philip. Go on the edge.
Show me. Yeah, oh my god. Like you could just like walk around here like for days
Yeah.
and not finish. Yo, look, it's so cool if you can get down in that cave over there. You see that cave?
Yeah. Behind the
cave,
water.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. What a beautiful place. How do you like this place? Rate it.
So crazy. 10 out of 10.
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 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And I guarantee you Philip's giving it a 10 out of 10. Must see place here. Alright, we're now going back to the taxi because we got to leave here soon. We're done swimming, but this place has been truly amazing.
It was amazing.
We're now walking back down here. It's a long way. We're taking the real stairs this time, not hiking through the jungle in mud. We're back in the buggy that is going to take us back to our original taxi. Officially done with the waterfalls here. It was truly beautiful.